Hello everyone, welcome back to Consistent Profits. This time around we're looking at GBPUSD, EURUSD and the dollar index. We're simply going to take a look back as to what we could have expected price to do this week and how we could have taken advantage of those moves. I hope you learned something, and if you find value out of this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Without wasting time, here we go. All right, before me I have the dollar index, and what we can see on the daily time frame of this market is how price have been practically very bullish. As you can see, the move to the upside since July, mid-July, all the way to right now, the 1st of September, price have been pretty much bullish. And this week, we already knew that since this price have been bullish, we are anticipating a move to the downside to retest these levels here, this order block, potentially sweep this liquidity over here, or even this one, and rally to the upside. This has transpired. One could have taken advantage of a move to the downside and also a move to the upside below this level over here, and the price began to rally to the upside. So what we see now in this market is potentially going to trade into this level over here, take it out, and continue to the upside. And when I pull a weekly chart, I can see that it's been all green candles. What I see is that it has been green candles for a month or so, and I was expecting price to continue to the upside. And when you look at this time frame, you realize that there is a fair value gap over here, which price dipped into and then began to trade to the upside, targeting this liquidity. Potentially price can reach into it this week before the trading week closes today, or we will see price continue a move to the upside into this level, and also this one over here in a week that's coming. Without wasting time, I want to jump into the pound dollar. And on this market, on the weekly chart, what we can understand is that price moved to the upside and began to decline to the downside for a few weeks, and it was reaching below this liquidity over here. Price traded below this liquidity, breaking structure as well. After doing that, it traded to the upside into this order block over here that we see, and continuation to the downside is taking place right now. Target will be this liquidity below this level over here, and potentially to go all the way to these levels in weeks ahead. And as I jump into the daily chart, what I observe is that price already took out this liquidity over here, trading to the downside, and then it went to the upside to retest this order block over here, traded into it, and began to crash to the downside from Wednesday, Thursday, and today is Friday. We have traded into this fair value gap over here, this fair value gap over here between these two candles, and potentially we will see price below here, or it might even reject into this fair value, respecting this fair value gap, and then we will see after that rejection how price will continue forward. However, the easiest target at this moment, it is for price to trade below this level, and we will see if continuation to the downside takes place and price will be trading below this level over here. So of course, one could have taken advantage of a move to the upside on Monday, Tuesday, to the upside, and then Wednesday, after price have traded into this order block over here, and after price have traded into this order block over here, take advantage of a move to the downside, targeting this fair value gap or ultimately these lows over here. With that out of the way, we are looking now at EURUSD, and I'm on the daily time frame. This market has been bearish for weeks, and it took out this level over here, and that's when we understood that this market is surely now in a bearish state. Monday and Tuesday, one could have taken opportunity to trade with the market to the upside, targeting these order blocks here, or this order block over here, or potentially this one here. However, price was so powerful, it traded beyond this level of highs, taking out liquidity, and then continued to the downside. One could have targeted a fair value gap over here between these two candles, or potentially this liquidity. As you can see, price is hurrying into that low to take it out, and from there we will potentially expect price to continue to the downside into these lows over here. All right, so basically these are the analysis that one could have taken advantage of this week. With that said, if you haven't liked the video, do so right now. Subscribe as well. Comment below. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.